Hi guys, today since we are working with Goldilocks and the Three Bears and the Three Snow Bears, I am going to read these stories to you guys again so that you can remember them enough to answer the questions that come after this video on the next slide. So this is Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Once upon a time, a little girl named Goldilocks went for a walk in the woods. She strolled along until she saw a tidy little cabin deep in the forest. Goldilocks knocked on the door 3 times, but no one answered, so she slowly opened the door and tiptoed in. Inside, Goldilocks saw 3 bowls of oatmeal on the kitchen table. She dipped a spoon into the first bowl of oatmeal. Too hot. Next, she tried the oatmeal in the second bowl. Too cold. Then she tried the oatmeal in the last bowl. Just right. And she ate it all up. Then Goldilocks saw 3 comfy chairs in the den. She sat down in the first chair. Too high. She sat down in the second chair. Too low. Then she sat in the last chair. Just right, and she broke it into smithereens. Then Goldilocks went upstairs, where she saw 3 cozy beds. She lay down on the first one. Next she lay down on the second one. Then she plopped down on the last one, and she fell fast asleep. Soon the 3 bears came home to their cabin. First they saw the 3 bowls. Someone tasted my oatmeal. Someone tasted my oatmeal. And someone tasted my oatmeal and ate it all up. Then they went into the den, where they saw the 3 comfy chairs. Someone was sitting in my chair. Someone was sitting in my chair. Someone sat in my chair, and now it's broken. Next they went upstairs, where they saw the 3 cozy beds. Someone was sleeping in my bed. Someone was sleeping in my bed. Someone was sleeping in my bed, and there she is! Just then Goldilocks woke up and saw the 3 bears. She jumped out of bed, ran down the stairs, dashed out the door, and raced all the way home. Bears! I won't do that again. And Goldilocks never, ever went back to the cabin in the woods. The end.